All right, this will be the last part of our orientation or our getting acquainted with AppyGEN. Okay, so now let's go to this right here, this link right here. And I feel it's important to go through this whole page, all these pages, for a reason. I'm going somewhere with it. You know what to expect and what I'm going to teach you and train you on. You'll already kind of have a heads up, so to speak. Okay, so you always go to orientation, whatever you do. Okay, so this is Android apps. Now here's an example of a wallpaper app. Each of our templates is built from the ground up to be easy to use, extremely customizable, and optimized for the latest, for the latest mobile standards. New app templates are released regularly. That is true. Okay, create your own wallpaper app, and they start out with the easy apps to create, which is wallpaper apps. But I'm going to tell you the way. I'm a wallpaper app specialist. I'm going to tell you the way I use, the methods I use, the tools I use to get the most out of making wallpaper apps, because you just can't put up anything. Okay, so combine as many pictures as you want into a beautiful wallpaper app. Okay, all right. Guess what? Create your own games. Now, create your own Android games. We frequently scour the Play Store for the latest, most profitable ideas and game ideas to turn them into templates you can quickly customize and make your own new game templates released regularly. Now, right here, they do have create your own 4 picks, 1 word game, but they have a quiz game over there. So I'm going to let them know about that, you know, to put up the correct template. Create your own clone of 4 picks, 1 word quiz game. Okay, so just another template that you can use. Learn the secrets to building profitable apps. Now, when I first started making apps, and I'll admit, I was kind of one of the guys, and I think I did mention earlier that I want to just keep it to myself. This is too good. But with AppyGEN, they're going to tell you the secrets to building profitable apps, and I'm going to, along with my secrets, I'm going to tell you what to do, what not to do. From my experience, okay, I'm going to take the guesswork out of it. I'm going to, you know, kind of guide you away from the pitfalls that you don't have to experience as far as in this app business. Okay, so I'm going to tell you everything I know. I'm not going to hold nothing back. You know, usually app builders, you know, or app developers, they hold some stuff back. I'm going to tell you everything. Here at AppyGEN, we made it our mission to teach you everything you need to know in order to build and grow your app business from scratch. And that's the real deal. Earn while you learn. Of course, AppyGEN is not just an app builder, it's also real-time interactive training on how to create, publish, and market profitable apps. Your dashboard automatically tracks your progress and assigns you specific missions you need to complete before moving on to the next level. That's right. Okay? We'll give you everything you need to succeed. Everything. And yeah, we went over this already. Now, let's see. And we went over the prices already. Let's say a little bit more about the pricing. Now, let you know, you're probably starting out in this thing with no money, but you're looking for a way to make some money, of course. But you don't have any money. So they're going to offer you a free trial or a free forever trial. Okay? What that is, you get the first 15 days of the trial. You get, and like I said, I showed you earlier, when I first went on to this platform, I built like 15 apps in that 15 days. Okay? Publish 1 of your apps on the Google Play Store. Okay? Now you can do that, 1 app. Of course, you have the free trial forever, but you're not going to have access to everything. But, you know, in case you may need a little longer than 15 days. Sometimes we all get busy, we get to doing different things, and we forget about things and so forth. But, you know, you may need longer than 15 days. But this allows you to create up to 3 apps a day, access 9 templates, add your own ads to your apps, and monetize and make money apps. Okay? Now, the monthly plan, which I strongly suggest, you get the yearly plan, just pay that $159. But the monthly plan, create unlimited apps per day, access to all the templates, okay? Access Training Academy, AppyGEN tools, the plugins, where you can do the push messages, push notifications, okay? Dedicated account manager, okay? Like I said, the support team is phenomenal, okay? They're app gurus, actually. In your apps, keep 100% of your ad inventory, okay? So that's the plan I recommend, okay? Now, there's going to be a link in the description box. Go ahead and click that link. Go ahead and get started. And, you know, the first app I'm going to teach you all to build is going to be a keyboard app. So, yeah, go ahead and click the link in the description box. I'm trying to see if there's anything else I need to tell you all. Think of it like this. Go to the example of an NFL coach. It's better to have played the game of football and be a coach than to be a coach, I feel. Because that player, he's played the game. He's going to tell you the things, the ins and outs of everything. And he learned from the coach, you know, how to present. So a player, sometimes they make better coaches. So I'm an app guru. I'm an app developer. I'm an app mogul. I feel it's better for me to teach you how to do these things. And I can tell you what to look out for, what to avoid, and what to do to best benefit you as far as this mobile app game, okay? So you can get started for free. Click the link in the description box. Go ahead and get started. And, you know, I'm going to go through the ins and outs of the app builder, and we're going to make our first keyboard app coming up well, not right now, but in the next video. So, once again, go ahead and click that subscribe button, because you don't want to miss these videos, and the notification button. And I'm going to see you in the next video. Christopher Wilson, the Mobile App Mogul. Take care.